Right.
I don't know what it is about it. I'm not too. I don't know much about it, but I know that you get a better lap out of it.
Out of it, yeah.
Look at this, making 800. Come on, man.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's
Smoking heavy.
gonna destroy everything. That's what I said. Yeah, when I saw the numbers, I was like, oh, the streets. It's a wrap for the streets. This thing is just gonna, oof.
And Carby did it, so if that guy
It's
just
that's
makes
it. It's certified approved, right?
he did my car back then.
So yeah, he's that's the shit, man. I'm happy for him.
Oh, it's built nice, dog.
Yeah.
It's nothing. He didn't skip no corners, no nothing. No, it's like
No, I know how you feel.
That's
Bro.
scary, bro.
If you actually beat me by 5 cars, whatever.
Bro, it's on video.
Look,
what
look,
do you?
I'm just listening to what
Sell
I'm
it,
saying.
bro. You lost
That's
the
what I'm
accuracy of
saying,
it. Sell it.
His.
Sell it. Sell
His
it.
car is right there.
I don't care, bro. Listen to what I'm saying.
Oh,
If I lost by 5
He has that
cars,
piece of shit
that's a
fucking
fair
Nissan.
loss, bro. If I lose by 5 cars with a 200.
Wait, was it a roll? Was it a roll?
You didn't
about
have
five.
nobody in the
I
car.
know, but I'm not talking about
Sell
the
it.
run.
It's a piece of shit.
not
Sell it.
understanding.
But was it a roll? Was it a roll or off the dig?
Huh?
Was it a roll?
Not listening to
Bro, I told him put $1,000 on the dig. He won it.
Oh,
I will when I get flipped.
He has to.
What is it? This car's 240 stock?
Huh?
240 horsepower.
Well, with the motor I have in
This is
it.
the type pass, right?
No, it's a base. It's all full. So, but it's J35 swapped from an '05 Odyssey. It makes 190 wheel horsepower stock.